Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to see Google Search Console data in Google Analytics. So here you can see I have Google Search Console data here, and if you are not able to see this tab, and if I minimize this, you can see Search Console is a separate we can say menu item here, and you can find it in the report section. If still you are not able to see this section, what you have to do, you have to go to library, and then you have to click on these three dots and then publish. So maybe you have not published yet, that's why it is not showing for you, but still you are not able to see. That means, or you don't have any data here, that means your Google Analytics is not attached with your Google Search Console. So how to do this? You have to click on settings, and you can see associations. So here you can click, and then you can link your Google Search Console with Google Analytics. There is a complete video you can find in a description. If you want more detail on this, you have to follow few instructions, like some check boxes you have to check, and depend on you what kind of reports you want, so it will ask you all the things and you can connect it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, you can ask me in comment box.